Sally's Talking Shop. How's everybody doing today? Let me know. Say hello. Like and follow the business page. We are ready to go, I believe. So what we are going to be doing today is the show up every day. If I'm not seeing your comments, like and follow the business page. Let Facebook know that we want to communicate. I'm just going to leave all of this stuff off my one board because I'm not fully set up the way that I normally am. As you can see, if you've followed me before. So, that. I'm a little backwards today, so. How's everybody doing? Let me know in the comments. I will have to go and grab my scissors that I just saw that are over across the room. But let me get this part situated. If you could share this out to your friends, that would be awesome. Hey everybody. What's everybody been up to today? Talk to me while I get this shared out. I love how quick people are jumping on with me. All right, so we are doing this show up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here for one more second. I'm going to grab my scissors because this is a brand new transfer I have not used yet. These are silk screen transfers that are reusable 8 to 12 times. They are very sticky, so I will be also fussing. All that means is taking it and putting it on fabric and getting a little bit of the lint out so to not make it as sticky so it doesn't stick to my board and take up the paste. So what I'm going to do first though is I'm going to cut this, and I do not cut my backing transfer so that I can put it all back together in the same spot. If you have any questions about Chalk Couture, put them in the comments if I'm live, and if I'm not, put them in the comments anyway, and when I see them after my live, I will get back to you. See, as you can see, it's very sticky. And I want to make sure that it doesn't stick to itself either. Because stick on stick is just as bad, if not worse. Tell me about your day. What's new? Hopefully it's a good one. I don't know what to talk about if you don't talk to me, so please do. So with this, what colors do you want me to use? I have blue, yellow, red, green. Oh, I didn't bring up my green. Orange, whole bunch of different colors. Sorry, this is a little difficult sometimes because it's so sticky, but there's all sorts of different ways to do this. I always seem to pick the way that looks most complicated. So I'm going to fuzz this transfer. All it is putting it on fabric. So I can move this for 1 minute. Put it down on here. So I have my trusty towel here. Let's see if I can make that stay long enough for me to do this. Kind of hold it all down at the same time. So we're going to want to do this a couple of times because they are really sticky. We remade these so they're actually even stickier than when I started over a year ago. So we just do this, which them being stickier is better because they last longer, but it also can take up your paste, and you just don't want that. Okay, so let me put this back the right way because there are hooks already on these. So I want to make sure I'm putting it down the right way. I want to kind of make sure that I put this kind of in the middle as best as I can. Make sure there's no bubbles where we want to put the paste. Hey everybody! So, I mean, we could do every day here. Or I could do the show up and the circle, and then we could put the anyway underneath it. You let me know. I think what I'm going to do, I might do it in yellow. Because it'll stand up from the black background. Oh, I have to grab my... Hey everybody! Say hi when you're jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. I just need to grab my squirt bottle. God, I didn't grab that either. Oh, which means you're probably going on a boat ride for a second. Sorry, guys. It's a little wobbly, I'm sorry. Everybody on the replay, it's gonna have fun. I know my people that like to come on my replay are comics, so that's gonna make for a fun time. So there we go. I just went and got my water, my spray bottle, because my yellow is quite thick. And so I'm going to stir it up with just a couple of squirts of distilled water. I want to make sure that it's clean water so that no bacteria gets in there and makes mold. Because this is all natural, good for kids, and if anybody happens to stick their fingers or their paws in their mouth after touching this, they won't get hurt. Now, I don't suggest they do it, but if it happens, there's no big problem. Alright, so here we go. Hey, Carolyn. How are you doing, hon? Plain and simple, but very nice. I hope you all enjoyed that quick one. Like and follow the business page, and I will see you today's Thursday. Yes, I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.